The movie we chose to analyze in terms of organic chemistry is Meet the Fockers. In this movie, Jack, played by Robert De Niro, injects his son-in-law Greg, played by Ben Stiller, with truth serum.
Truth serum is the street name for the organic compound sodium pentothal. After having been injected, Greg proceeds to get up on stage at his wedding rehearsal dinner and make a fool of himself by voluntarily sharing personal information with the audience.
He seemed to be in a high-energy drunken state after the injection until he suddenly falls and is unconscious. We spent hours and hours doing intensive research on this organic compound.
We found that the effects of sodium pentothal were portrayed inaccurately in the movie. Sodium pentothal is synthesized by alkylation of ethyl malonic ester with 2-bromopentane in the presence of sodium methoxide. The product undergoes heterocyclization with thiourea, with sodium methoxide used as a base. This molecule is a barbiturate. Barbiturates act on GABA protein receptors in the central nervous system. Barbiturates bind to these receptors, inhibiting the flow of sodium ions. This blocked flow prevents action potentials from occurring. In a similar manner, they increase the flow of chloride ions, which also prevents the action potentials from occurring. This hyperpolarizes the cell, which is the reason why the production of action potentials is inhibited.
These drugs are effective due to their high solubility in fat and ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. This fat solubility also is the cause for their short time frame of effectiveness. These drugs can cause sedation and hypnosis, leaving the patient with impaired judgment and thought processes. This reduction in neuronal activity helps sodium pentothal acquire its name as truth serum. It makes cognitive processes such as lying more difficult and therefore causes the subject to more likely tell the truth.
This drug does not directly cause a person to voluntarily tell the truth, as portrayed in Meet the Fockers. Rather, it is the decreased brain functioning inhibiting the person to think before they speak, therefore most likely telling the truth when posed a question. In addition, it is unrealistic that Greg would have been conscious and energetic had he been really injected with sodium pentothal. This drug, when concentrated, like the one used in the movie, would cause a rapid state of unconsciousness within the first minute of administration. Therefore, the effects of sodium pentothal are inaccurately portrayed.